Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Biofactory for NEET Principles of Inheritance and Variations with Basic Terminology in Genetics. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. Like, follow and share my videos to your students and friends to get more information in biology related to NEET and other national state level competitive exams. In this video, I am going to explain the basic important terminology which is frequently used in genetics. Genetics is a branch of biological science which deals with transmission of characteristics from one generation to next, along with hereditary units called genes that controls these characteristic features in living organisms. The word genetics, it was introduced in 1905 by English biologist William Bateson. Genes are passed from parents to child and transfer these characters. Genetics deals with the principles and mechanism of biological inheritance, which includes both heredity and variations. Heredity indicates like begets like. Like begets like means is a common phrase used by many breeders. It simply means that there is a strong similarity between the offsprings and their parents, and of that are their distinct ancestors. When creating a family, the offsprings may resemble to parents with close quite. Genetic variations is the difference in DNA sequence between individuals within a population. Variations occur in germ cells like sperm and egg, and also in somatic cells. Variations, on other hand, refers to differences characteristic features in between progeny and parents. These variations are arised due to gametogenesis because of crossing over and random gametic fusion. Pre-Mendelian hybridization experiments in genetics. Gregor Johann Mendel was not the first person to have conducted hybridization experiments on plants. One of the scientists, J. Kollreuter, in between 1733 to 1806, he was a German botanist and he used tall and dwarf varieties of tobacco for hybridization and found that all first generation hybrid had intermediate size. He reported that the progeny may resemble any one of the parents or may be intermediate between them. According to him, the hybrids are more diverse than parents. Some of the another scientists who had worked on hybridization before Mendel includes Bartni in between 1772 to 1850, Neudin in between 1815 to 1899, Coget 1799, Gauss 1824, etc. None of these workers was able to rationalize and explain the result with a sure degree of repeatability. Before Mendel's work, pangenesis and blending inheritance theories are well accepted theories in biological world to explain inheritance in living organisms. Mendel's work explained that the inheritance based on scientific experiments he honored with title Father of Genetics. Mendel derived three laws or principles related to law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independent assortment. Terminology used in genetics. Character. Character in biology. Any observable feature of an organism, whether it is acquired or inherited. An acquired character is a response to the environment, and inherited character is produced by genes transmitted from parents to offspring. Trait is its distinguishable feature of gene. Gene. A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity that determines the biological character of an organism. These genes are made up of a DNA present on chromosomes. Allelomorphs or alleles. The term allele is coined by Bateson. An allele is variant from a gene. Some genes have a variety of different forms which are located at the same portion or genetic locus on a chromosome of an individual and controls expression of character. Example, capital T and small t, capital Y, small y, and capital R and small r alleles. Homozygous. Homozygous refers to a particular gene that has identical alleles on both homologous chromosomes. It is referred to by two capital letters, capital T for dominant trait, tall, and two lowercase letters, small t for recessive trait, dwarfness. Heterozygous. Heterozygous refers to a particular gene that has unidentical alleles on both homologous chromosomes. It is referred to by one capital letter and one small letter like capital T, small t for tall. Hemizygous. The gene with only one allele is called hemizygous. Example XY. Dominant allele. The dominant allele is one of the factor of an allelic pair which can express itself whether present in either homozygous or heterozygous stage. Example, capital T, tallness in P, capital R, round seed in P. The dominant allele always denoted with capital letter. Recessive allele. Recessive allele is one of the factor of an allelic pair which is unable to express itself in the presence of its contrasting alternate form in heterozygote. Example, small t in capital T small t, tallness in P, small or round seeds in P. Wild allele is one which was originally present in population and is dominant and widespread. Johansen in 1909 given genotype-phenotype concept. Genotype, the genetic makeup of an organism or group of organisms with reference to a single trait or set of traits or an entire complex traits. The sum total of genes transmitted from parents to offsprings. Phenotype means the sum of an organism's observable character of an organism which determines by a gene is called phenotype. Gene locus. In genetics, a locus, plural form loci, is a specific, a fixed position on a chromosome where a particular gene or genetic marker is located. Gene pool. A gene pool is the total genetic diversity found within a population or a species. Pure lines. The definition of pure line is a result of inbreeding where animals or plants have certain characteristics that are the same through generations. The term it was coined by Johansen. William Johansen, he was a Danish botanist, discovered the pure line theory in French bean Phaseolus vulgaris in 1903. Phenocopies. Two different genotypes due to different environmental conditions gives rise to same phenotype called phenocopies. F1 generation or first filial generation. An F1 hybrid, also known as filial 1 hybrid, is the first filial generation comprises of offsprings resulting from a cross between two distinctly different parents. F2 generation or second filial generation. The generation produced by interbreeding individuals of an F1 generation. Punnett square. A Punnett square is a graphical representation of possibilities of genotypes of offsprings arising from a particular cross or breeding event, which was devised by R.C. Punnett and is used to show the result of a cross between two organisms. Monohybrid cross or one gene inheritance. Monohybrid cross is a cross between parents differing in only one trait or in which only one trait is being considered. Dihybrid cross or two gene inheritance. Dihybrid cross is a cross between parents in which two pairs of contrasting characters are studied simultaneously for the inheritance pattern. Backcross or test cross. In backcross, the F1 is crossed with either homozygous dominant or homozygous recessive. That means capital T small t versus capital T or capital T small t versus small t. The outcross is if F1 hybrid is crossed with dominant parent is called outcross. Capital T small t versus capital T. In test cross, a dominant phenotype is crossed with the homozygous recessive genotype in order to discriminate between homozygous dominant and heterozygous genotype. Example, capital T small t versus small t. Reciprocal cross. A pair of cross between a male of one strain and female of another and vice versa. In cross 1, first parent A is considered as male parent, parent B considered as a female parent. But in another cross, the parent A, now it is considered as female parent, the parent B is considered as male parent. Such type of pair of crosses called reciprocal cross. A reciprocal cross is used to determine the role of paternal sex in the inheritance of a trait if the trait is sex-linked. Lethal genes. Lethal alleles, also referred as lethal genes or lethals, are alleles that causes death of the organism that carries them. They are usually a result of mutations in genes that are essential for growth or development. The lethal genes are also called death genes. If such a death gene combination is present at zygotic stage, the organism it will be die. These are the various terminologies used in genetics frequently. These terminologies helps to understand the topics of genetics very easily. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share my videos to your students and friends.